In the context of the highlighted text, how does dark energy pushing space apart provides a direction to the movement of time? In the context of the highlighted text, the passage mentions that if dark energy pushes space apart, it provides a distinction between the past and the future. If we are running time in one particular direction, the planet would go far away, and in the other direction, the planet gets captured by the star. So it can be inferred that at different points in time, the planet is at a different distance from the star. And observing whether the orbit of the planet is expanding or contracting, we would be able to tell whether time is moving forward or backwards. So that is the thought here. So we need an answer choice which relates to the distance between the planet and the star over time. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, dark energy causes the planet to get away from the star. Yes, the passage mentions that if dark energy pushes space apart, the planet would eventually get thrown away from the star. However, this reference is not sufficient to explain that the time is moving in a particular direction. We need an answer choice which suggests that at different points in time, the planet is at different distance from the star. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, the difference in the direction of the orbit. The passage mentions that the difference in the direction of the orbit is considered when dark energy doesn't exist or attracts space, whereas we are talking about dark energy pushing space apart. So this answer choice cannot be correct. Answer choice C, expanding orbits helps determine different stages in the life of the planet. Yes, this is what is implied in the third paragraph. The paragraph mentions that at different points in time, the planet would be at a different distance from the star, and observing the movement over time, we would be able to tell in which direction time is moving. So in other words, expanding orbits would help determine different stages in the life of the planet. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice D, constant orbits. The passage mentions that the orbits are the same when dark energy is either absent or attracting space, whereas we are talking about dark energy pushing space. So this answer choice cannot be established. Answer choice E, dark energy speeds the planet's rotation. The passage doesn't make any suggestion regarding the increasing speed of the planet's rotation. Also, we need an answer choice which talks about the planet being at a different distance from the star at different points in time. So this answer choice can be eliminated. C is the correct answer.